Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So today's video is something different than my lipstick collection review and swatches. I am going to review and I'm going to show you the swatches of new LA Girl Shockwave neon liners. Now these neon liners are everywhere right now on internet, and so today I am up with review and short demo using some LA Girl Shockwave neon eyeliners and lip liners. So without further ado, let's just start the video. So first let me show you the neon liners. So this is the neon liners. I hope you can see. This is my phone screen. So this is the neon liner, and these neon liners are right now available on Hawk Makeup. This is an Hawk Makeup website where you can find out this neon liner. And as you can see, Hawk Makeup is having some discount, for which the neon liners are right now in discount, and they are right now in rupees 416 now, whereas their original price is 595. As you can see, there are 6 shades available in these neon liners, and today I am going to show you the swatches of all the 5 of these neon eyeliners except the black one, because I didn't grab the black one as I have so many black kajal in my stash. I need to finish them. I think I'm going to grab the black one also because I am just loving these neon liners. So these are the lip liners. I kept them in my Maybelline pouch for review purpose, but I have already started using these eyeliners. Today, if you notice carefully, you can see I have applied this green eyeliner on my waterline area, and I just love it. It just pop up your eye makeup to next level. And yes, I have grabbed 2 lip liners from the neon lip liner range of LA Girl, because I think that these 2 shades are actually perfect for Indian skin tone, whereas the other shade present in this range a little bit neon. And yes, in the lip liner range there is a one orange shade. As I am not a big fan of orange color, so I skip that lip liner. But if you love orange kind of lipstick, then definitely check out that orange lip liner. So I grabbed these 7 liners till now, and I just love each of them because they are super pigmented. They stays on my waterline area intact. You can use these liners as a eyeliner and also on your waterline. You will not feel any kind of irritation on your eyes, because I do have very sensitive eyes, and when it comes about choosing kajal, there are few brands whose kajal doesn't suit me, because every time I wear that kajal I feel like my eyes are burning. Sometimes I feel like sleepy after wearing that kajal, because I feel they are very heavy on my waterline area, and that's why I'm very particular when it comes about choosing kajal or eyeliners. And so I can say that these liners are really safe on your waterline area also, because I have tried and tested on my waterline area. They just stays intact throughout the day until and unless you remove it, because they are super pigmented, super matte, and overall I just love these eyeliners. So let me show you a quick hand swatch at first, followed by I'm going to swatch the eyeliners on my eyes and the lip liners on my lips. So let's see the swatches. So the first shade that I'm going to swatch is named as Electric. The next eyeliner that I'm going to swatch is named as Fresh. Next eyeliner that I'm going to swatch is named as Screaming, and it is a yellow neon kind of eyeliner. Next green eyeliner that I'm going to swatch is named as Gotcha, and I have already applied this eyeliner on my waterline area today, but let me show you a hand swatch. Moving on to the last eyeliner, and the last eyeliner is this purple one, which is named as Vivid. Let me do a swatch of this purple liner. So this is the purple liner. These are all the hand swatches of LA Girl Shockwave neon eyeliners. Now it's time for the swatches of these eyeliners on my eyes. So now it's time for the LA Girl Shockwave lip liners. The first lip liner that I'm going to swatch is named as Blaze, and it is a purplish pink kind of lip liner. So this is the lip liner. Next lip liner that I am going to swatch is named as Fiery, and it is a beautiful neon pinkish red kind of lip liner. So this is the shade Fiery. Talk about a little bit regarding these neon lip liners. So I really love these lip liners. All I have to say, the shade Blaze is little bit drying on my lips, whereas the shade Fiery is little more pigmented and it glides little more easily than this one. Maybe it is because of the shade that the pigmentation and the texture of these two lip liners are slight difference. Otherwise both are super pigmented on my lips. You can wear these lip liners as a lipstick and also as a lip liners along with your regular lipstick. All I had to say that if you apply these lip liners all alone on your lips as a lipstick, then I would suggest you to properly prep your lips before you apply these lip liners. After a few hours you might feel little bit dry on your lips. So properly moisturize and exfoliation of lips is necessary before you apply these neon lip liners as a lipstick. Otherwise these are just perfect for lip liners, because as these are like matte lip liners and they just stays intact on my lips, so they stop the bleeding of your lipstick. And yes, this lip liner and eyeliners both are waterproof, and that's why you need some oil based makeup remover to remove these liners. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this review on LA Girl Shockwave neon liners. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding these liners. For now, these are like my current favorite liners, and I always reach out for these liners every time I do any eye look. So I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish in this season. Bye.